Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class inter, and very good morning to all of you. Dear students, in a previous lecture we covered the lesson "The World as I See It" by the Albert Einstein. So in today's lecture we will also cover the usage of have, how the have uses in the sentences, and what are the meaning that we understand according to the sense in the sentences. So my dear students, have play an important role as a helping verb and as a action verb. My dear students, have used as a helping verb in perfect tenses, whether it is a present perfect continuous tense. And it uses as a state verb. Suppose I use it, I have a pen. I describe that I have a pen. I am just stating that I have a pen. So if I use have as an action verb, we mostly and usually say that have a seat. Have a seat, it means sit down. Have a glass of water, it means drink a glass of water. It means here have give us the meaning of action. So now in the below we will know about the how have used in the sentences. He has blue eyes. So my dear students, here has state verb. The rectangle has 4 sides. He had many enemies. Here had is the past of have. Their house has only a small garden. So my dear student, this is a state verb. The have used as a state verb. He has, she has, they have. So like this. So my dear students, have as an action verb. It can be used as a sense of eat and drink. Suppose he always has a glass of milk before going to bed. He has a glass of water. It means glass of milk. It means he take or drink a glass of milk. What did you have for lunch? Means आपने lunch में क्या लिया? What did you have for lunch? What did you eat for lunch? I have a couple of biscuits with my coffee. It means I ate a couple of biscuits with my coffee. So my dear student, another usage of have, it means receive, be given or take it. All the winners had prizes. Had prizes means received prizes. All have the boys had their new books. Have here is means receive or take in a sense of take. So have is also means suffer. I have a headache. She often has a headache. He stayed in bed because he had a cold. He had a pain in his knee. It means he is suffering from pain. Means suffer in a illness or disease. Whenever there is a disease or illness, you can use their have. Or whenever you have an appointment with doctor, or you can use their have instead of another verb. I have an appointment with doctor. Experience and enjoy. My dear student, experience and enjoy. We had a great deal of fun on the topic, on the picnic. Enjoy, because we enjoyed a great deal of fun on the picnic. They had a very poor weather during their holiday. It means we had experienced or we endured or bear the poor weather during our holidays. So my dear students, these are the main senses I have used I have told to you about the have, how have used in the sentences. So now here is a translation as usually you are given in this text, and you have to translate into English to Sindhi or Urdu. So the college has extensive playing field. So now here the has as a used as a state verb. We were sorry to leave Lahore because we had many friends there. Here had is a past of have and use as a state verb. As I already told you, use as a state verb. When will you have lunch? Here have use as a drink and eat in a second. Okay. So like this you have to translate into Sindhi or Urdu according to your language. Okay. So इसमें आपको क्या करना है कि ट्रांसलेट करनी है सिंधी और उर्दू में. सो इस हैव और हैज के हमने यूजेज पढ़ लिए और इसको हम यूज करने हैं अपने लैंग्वेज में, चाहे वो सिंधी हो चाहे वो उर्दू हो. So my dear students, here another lesson, the devoted friend. So here my dear students, devoted friend, first I have to told to you about the devoted friend. Devoted, what is the devoted? Devoted means loyal, means faithful. Loyal. You can also that sincere friend. So there is also a idiom, a friend in need is friend indeed. So this is a journal idiom, and we also use there a friend in need is friend indeed. We also make paragraph or even write paragraph or an essay, we can use it. So friend in need is friend indeed. It means जब कोई दोस्त किसी मुश्किलात में होता है या मुसीबत में होता है तो जो दोस्त होता है वो उनकी सपोर्ट करता है और मदद करता है उन मुश्किलात को दूर करने में. सो यहाँ भी है कि फिक्शन है, स्टोरी है अबाउट द टू फ्रेंड्स. सो वन फ्रेंड इज लॉयल and the other friend is disloyal or dishonest person. So it means we can call it the one-sided friendship. So when the two-sided friendship is that type of friendship when two person or two friends are sincere to each other, or they are loyal or devoted to each other. जाहिर सी बात है जब दो दोस्त होंगे वो एक दूसरे से सिंसियर होंगे, ऑनेस्ट होंगे, तो तब भी हम उसको फ्रेंड कह सकते हैं. एक्चुअल मीनिंग जो फ्रेंड की होती है तो वो आपको मुसीबत में आपको मदद करे. वो कहते हैं ना कि दोस्त जो होता है कि वो अपनी फैमिली से भी अजीज होता है. अगर वो फ्रेंडशिप को हम देखें तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, तो the devoted friend is a one-sided friendship between the Haynes and Miller. ये जो स्टोरी है, ये जो फिक्शन है कि हेन्स एंड मिलर के दरमियान है. So my dear student, the story, the fiction is told by the lineage in to the water rat. Water rat, these are the animals, and these are the fairy tale story told by the lineage to the water rat. Water rat is like a Miller. Miller was a not sincere friend to Haynes. So this is a story, and in the next lecture, inshallah, we will also discuss the characters about the Miller and the character about the Haynes, who is sincere friend to the Miller, but the Miller is disloyal to him, and how the Miller deceive or cheat to the Haynes. How the story is told by the lineage to the water rat and other animals on the pond. Okay, my dear students, you have to go through the lesson and you have to read it and comprehend it, as we can easily understand in the next lecture about the lesson the devoted friend. Okay, so now your assignment, your homework is the usage of have, and your next assignment homework is that you have to know about the devoted friend. In the next lecture we will also proceed from it. Thank you, my dear students.